Hi my fans and my followers and subscribers around the world. Don't forget, it is your number one, your favorite agriculturist and farmer. I saw some dangerous. I've never seen this type of things before. I must tell you guys, I've never seen anything like this before. Yes. If I had seen, or if I have seen it before, I will still tell you that I have seen it. You don't understand. But I have not seen anything like this before. I am standing under a very big shading tree. Can you see? Yeah, I'm standing under a very big shading tree, but there is something that's not right about this tree. Right here in my farm. Let me quickly show us. You can see I'm wearing this thing. This is for protection. Now, if I show you a bracelet, I've never seen anything like this before. Some people say, yes, I've not seen it before. And what is that? The kind of caterpillars, these are the kind of caterpillars that I have never seen before. Look at. Have you seen anything like something like this before? These are deadly. If you can see, let me zoom the camera. You guys will see. You see? These are deadly caterpillars. And I must tell you the truth, this is right under where I have my crops planted. You see, these are deadly caterpillars that I have not seen before. You understand? But there is something is not right. Yes, something is not right. But all things being equal, it's still okay. Look at all over this tree, you see. All over this tree, you will see. They are all over the tree. So there is more to it which I cannot give an explanation to. So, but please, if you come across a tree like this in your farm and there are caterpillars like this, I know some people eat them, but here in this part of this world we don't eat it. And these are deadly caterpillars. I don't know the names, and trust me, these things are very, very, if you look at it in this video, you will see these things are very, very deadly. They are deadly. A sting from it, you know, can just take you 6 feet. You don't understand. If you look at it in this video, you will see. If you look at it closely, I have never seen anything like this before. So guys, please be careful when, even though you are a farmer, safety first. You don't understand. So if you have come across my video, this is the first time you're seeing my channel on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, and if you're watching this video from TikTok as well, hit the plus sign. On Facebook, hit the follow button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.